What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Jamaican Southern Party Kitchen, and today we have a classic for you guys. Today we're going to be doing a brown stew chicken the real authentic way, so stick around and watch us give you tutorials on how to do the basics. So guys, we have a whole of chicken, and what we're going to do is just to cut it up. We're going to get rid of most of the skin and the fat. Right, we're going to clean it, wash it, clean it with some lemon, and then we're going to season them up. At this point, we're going to be seasoning our chicken. We're going to add some salt. Add like 2 tablespoons of salt. We're going to add a teaspoon of black pepper, grounded black pepper. We're going to add a tablespoon of garlic powder and a tablespoon of onion powder and a tablespoon of paprika and a tablespoon of browning. We're just gonna rub all that together and let it marinate in the refrigerator for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Now the meat has been marinated. We're going to sear each meat on both sides for a few minutes, and then we're going to put them aside. Now guys, you know we can't end this video without doing a vegetable preparation tutorial. Just the basic cuts of vegetables. Now when you're cutting vegetables, you want to make sure that you tuck your fingers in, so only your knuckles are facing towards the knife and not your finger tips. Okay, you also want to make sure you move your finger away from the knife while you're cutting. Another tip to bear in mind is when you're cutting anything, vegetables, fruit, anything, you want to have a clear mind. You don't want your mind to stray on something else, because that can distract you from getting a cut. Also, you want to make sure that your knife is sharp, because they say dull knives are the ones that cut you. So now all our meat has been seared evenly. What we're going to do is add back our meat in a separate pot, add some water almost covering the meat, and then we're going to add our vegetables, and then we're just going to let that boil for like 10 minutes, and then turn the heat down and low, and then let it simmer for like 30 minutes. Now our meat has reached the simmering stage, so this is a critical point, guys. You have to like re-season your pot, so you have to taste the water to make sure you have enough salt or enough spices and stuff. So you can re-season your pot by adding salt and other spices. There you have it, guys, the authentic Jamaican style brown stew chicken, and this will be accompanied with some rice and peas and vegetable medley, which I'll be showing you guys how to do the rice and peas in the next video. Hope you guys like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.